Let's walk through the process of placing a Front Porch Pantry order from an iPad. First, visit our website, frontporchpantry.com. Then, click on the banner at the top of the site or on the menu tab to see our menu. Now you are on our menu. You can scroll through our menu's categories very easily by using the tabs at the top of the site, or you can also scroll down through the whole menu manually. You can modify the quantity of items by clicking on the minus and plus signs. When you are ready, click Add to Cart. You'll see a list pop up on the right side of the screen. If you want to keep adding items, click on Continue Shopping. Remember that if you want to get more information about a product, you can always click on it, and when you scroll down, you will see 4 tabs with information on product details, preparation, ingredients, and nutrition. If you don't see the Continue Shopping button, remember you can scroll down through that portion of the screen until it shows up again. If you don't see the list on the right side of the screen, click on the cart icon in the top right corner of the screen. After you are done adding items, click on Go to Cart. You can now review what you're ordering and adjust it if necessary. Here, you can also add a tip and add instructions or a gift note. Click on Checkout. Now you are on the checkout page. Here is where you'll have to put your contact information and shipping address. Click on Continue to Shipping and select your shipping date. Now click on Continue to Payment. Enter your payment information and click Pay Now. And you're all set. You will now see your order confirmation, which you will also receive via email. And that is how you place a Front Porch Pantry order from an iPad.